Good morning, students. I am Dr. Suma Embar, Associate Professor of English, Government First Grade College, Kuvempu Nagar, Mysore. This is a video on Julius Caesar, objective type questions. The play Julius Caesar has been prescribed for the 4th semester Language English course of the BA-BSc programs in the University of Mysore. The CBCS question paper carries 15 objective type questions. Students have to answer 10 out of 15 questions. I have prepared this video so that the students find it useful while writing. These 1 mark questions will help the students to give attention to small details too. This will help the students to read the play line by line so that they can remember all the events and dialogues. Let's begin from Act 1. Each question can be answered in a word, sentence or a phrase. First one, mention the names of the 2 tribunes in the first scene. Second, in the first scene, the cobbler makes pun on the word dash. The workers were scolded by tribunes because dash. Fourth one, which festival was celebrated on February 15th in Rome? You will find it in first scene. Fifth one, who ruled Rome before Caesar? Sixth, quote the warning of the soothsayer to Caesar when he comes back to the city. 7th, why does Cassius call himself a mirror of Brutus? 8th, Cassius narrates 2 incidents which prove Caesar's weakness. What are they? 9th one, who has a lean and hungry look and is dangerous according to Caesar? 10th, mention 2 physical sicknesses of Caesar. 11th, who offered the crown 3 times to Caesar? 12th, what does Casca describe to Cicero? Options: A bad dream, B, several unnatural scenes, C, the procession, D, none. 13th, why does Shakespeare bring supernatural elements in the play? 14th, according to Cassius, what is so shameful to Rome? You will find it in Act 1, Scene 3. 15, why does Cassius want to draw Brutus to their group? Let's move on to Act 2. Question number 16. Crowning a leader as a king was common practice among the Romans. True or false? 18. Brutus compared Caesar's high ambition to dash in 2.1, line 33. 19. What was dropped inside Brutus' house by friends of Cassius? 20. Brutus forbids conspirators to take an oath because dash. Options are A, he is scared, B, their dedication to the nation's cause is enough, C, the others may break it, D, none. 21. Why does Brutus say that Cicero shouldn't be included in their plan? 22. Why shouldn't Antony be killed according to Brutus? 23. Why does Brutus call himself and others sacrificers and purgers and not butchers or murderers? 24. Is Cassius happy with Brutus' decision not to kill Antony? Yes or no? 25th. Who is Portia? What is her father's name? 26. How does Caesar describe the death of the cowards and the valiant? 27. Who comes to take Caesar to the Senate house? 28. What was the horrible dream of Calpurnia? 29th. Which three reasons are given by Decius Brutus to convince Caesar to go to the Senate? 30th. Name the person who wants to warn Caesar by giving a letter. We have moved on to Act 3. Question 31. Does Caesar read Artemidorus' warning letter? 32. Who stabs Caesar first? 33. What request is made by Metellus Cimber to Caesar? 34. Caesar, to declare his unchanging mind, compares himself to dash. 35. Quote the last words of Caesar. 36. After Caesar is murdered, Cassius orders his friends to shout dash, dash and dash. 37. What did Brutus tell the murderers to do immediately after Caesar falls down? 38. Brutus tells Antony that they killed Caesar because dash. 39. What does Antony request Brutus? Antony says, dumb mouths beg me to speak. What are those dumb mouths? 41. Not that I loved Caesar less, but that I loved Rome more. Who said this? 42. After Brutus' speech, the people are dash. Options: A. Angry at him. B. Praised him as next ruler. C. Confused. D. None. 43. During his speech, Antony addresses Brutus many times as dash. 44. Mention one or two facts that Antony says to prove the good qualities of Caesar. 45. How does Antony comment on the stab wounds on Caesar's body made by Brutus? 46. According to Antony, what was written in Caesar's will? 47. Why do people want to kill Cinna the poet? In Act 4, we come to question number 48. Act 4 begins with three friends who make a list to kill the supporters of conspirators. Who are those three people? 49. Who is called a donkey by Antony? 50. Who are Pindarus and Lucilius? 51. Brutus accuses Cassius that he dash. Options: A. Has cheated him. B. Cassius has plotted against him. C. Cassius has taken bribe from inferior people and appointed them as officers. D. None. 52. Why is Brutus very angry at Cassius? 53. Brutus quarrels with Cassius because he has suffered great loss. What is it? 54. How did Portia commit suicide? 55. Why does Brutus want to go to Philippi to attack Antony's army instead of fighting at Sardis? 56. Caesar's ghost appears before Brutus and tells him that dash. Options: A. He will kill Brutus. B. They will meet at Philippi. C. He will not let Brutus sleep. D. He will come back to Rome. 57. Who plays music at Brutus' tent in Sardis? In Act 5, we move on to question 58. Brutus thinks it is cowardly to commit suicide. True or false? 59. Whom does Cassius ask to kill him by stabbing? 60. What was the misunderstanding by Pindarus about Titinius? 61. How was Titinius killed? Was he captured by the enemy? 62. Lucilius, who is a friend of Brutus, wants enemy soldier to believe that Lucilius was dash. 63. Antony's soldiers think that they have captured Brutus. True or false? 64. How does Lucilius praise Brutus? 65. How does Brutus die? 66. After the death of Brutus, Antony calls Brutus noblest Roman because dash. Options: A. He died in war. B. He was the only Roman to kill Caesar for the sake of common good. C. He committed suicide before being captured. D. None. 67. Who said this was the noblest Roman of all? 68. Who gives the last commands to soldiers in the play? 69. Who won in the war? 70. Antony insults Brutus after his death. True or false? Below are given a set of general questions on Shakespeare and Julius Caesar. In the exam, even general questions may be asked. So let's continue with the questions. 71. When and where was Shakespeare born? When did he die? 72. When was Julius Caesar written? 73. Julius Caesar is a romance or political play or Roman tragedy or history. 74. Shakespeare represents dash spirit of the dash age. 75. There were female actors in Elizabethan theatre. True or false? 76. The play begins in dash and ends in dash. 77. After Caesar, dash came to power and ruled Rome as Emperor dash. 78. When did Caesar rule Rome in history? 79. Brutus killed Caesar because dash. 80. Shakespeare was popularly known as dash. Options: A. University wit. B. The bard. C. The Elizabethan dramatist. D. None. Dear students, I have given only the questions but not the answers. Please go to the text and try to find the answers for yourselves. If you cannot find the answers, you can consult your teachers. They are sure to give you the answers. Or if you want to clarify anything else, you can also email to me. The address of my email is given here. Please note. Thank you very much.